So this video is about metamorphic rocks, how they are formed, and what characteristics they have. The term metamorphic means to change form, which is a key factor to the formation of metamorphic rocks. So a brief overview of formation. They're formed from other rocks that are changed materially in composition or appearance by heat, pressure, or infiltrations at some depth in the Earth's crust below the surface zone of weathering. Now a closer look of their formation and where this fits into the rock cycle. So any type of rock can become a metamorphic rock. And metamorphic rocks are formed without melting because if they melt, then it becomes magma, and metamorphic rock formation only refers to the alternation of rocks that takes place before complete melting. So they're formed at high temperatures and pressures, which cause minerals in rocks to become unstable so that they reorient into layers known as foliation. Or they recrystallize into large crystals without undergoing melting. From there, metamorphic rocks can be uplifted to become sediment or get melted to become magma. So these are the metamorphic rocks that we looked at in class, and the key characteristics are either foliated or non-foliated. And foliated is the distinct repetitive layers, which look like bands, and non-foliated are the large visible individual grains. So more in depth, as you can see on the left, the foliated has the distinct layers, and that's formed with heat and direct pressure. And then non-foliated on the right has the individual grains, which you can see with your visible eye, and that's formed with high heat but low pressure from all sides. And then metamorphic rocks can be found in mountain ranges where high pressures squeeze the rocks up to form mountains. And common examples of this are the Himalayas, Alps, and Rocky Mountains. And metamorphic rocks are still forming deep in the core of these mountains. And then they'll be exposed only when there's erosion of the mountain ranges over millions of years, which has been seen in the Appalachian Mountains on the East Coast, which used to be large mountains, but now have exposed metamorphic rocks.